kuhitukira ngirimiti iria ikaniriirwo ni bururi wa Kenya na bururi wa Ireland. Riu arimi ni megukorwo makiamukira makiria mathomo ma ugi wa kuhuthira teknoloji urimi-ini kuhitukira uteithio kuma bururi-ini ucio wa Ireland.
Is going to deal with enhancing technology transfer between an Irish company and Kenyan business people in terms of food processing, feed, particularly fruits and things like that. I think that is what we are seeing. This technology transfer and support, particularly from our side, so that it's sustainable. You've seen in the past, we start companies, and then in a very short while they have collapsed. So we think this support is very important moving into the future.
Kuhitukira mweke uyu ojoria kuma guku bururi-ini mena mweke wa kwendandura thoko yao bururi-ini ucio.
We want Irish companies and Irish names and Irish people to be very much part of your future. And we think that can be beneficial to Kenya, and we know it can be very beneficial to Ireland. So today is the start of something special, and I hope we can build momentum from here.
Arimi a thamaki onao ni megukorwo makigunika na gikiro kinene.
The technology to catch fish, the technology to process fish, the technology for aquaculture farming fish.
Uyu ni mweke werehe na ithenya ria kugacira biacara-ini no gukorwo kirurumura umithio kuri mwonjori uria gukorwo akiyukia mweke uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV wonjoria jitagwo Njenga wa Wambui.